The wall is framed with pressure-treated plywood and flashed at the bottom. To ensure long-term durability of the wall, Will is using a Rainscreen drainage mesh behind the siding. This allows the siding to dry evenly on both sides while letting any water that sneaks in drain out. This particular mat has a Housewrap attached, but it's easy to peel back at window and door openings or for wrapping the corners. The bottom of the mat is wrapped with insect screen to keep the insects out. A spun mat like this allows drying in 3 dimensions, which is better than furring strips, which isolate the air movement. Subsequent courses are installed and, at least in animation land, Will's ready to start siding. In real life, it's a little more detailed. Step 1, tip over the roll. Step 2, read the instructions.
Install sheathing material.
Step 3, take it out of the bag.
Left to right.
Because there's a top and a bottom to this product, it's installed from the left to right when coming off the roll. A flap of Housewrap extends above the drainage mesh to provide a proper overlap, and it's cut like any other rolled product, with a utility knife or scissors. On this small wall section, we're going to demonstrate how to wrap inside and outside corners so the mesh is stapled in place and peeled back at the end.
Peel that right back. Staple the paper to the corner.
The Housewrap backing is tucked into the inside corner and stapled tightly to provide a continuous weather-resistive barrier behind the trim and siding. With the Housewrap where it needs to be, the excess drainage mat can be cut away. Outside corners are wrapped like any other Housewrap, continuous. Bug screen is cut to length and folded around the bottom part of the mesh sheet and is stapled in place. The second course goes up, marking the holes for wires and weatherlapping the Housewrap backing. The Housewrap extends above the mesh, so the next course automatically overlaps properly. Before stapling the next course in place though, mesh the mesh together. When the mesh aligns, staple the Housewrap in place. Mold it around the corners, staple it in place, cut out the mesh, and then clean up the edges. Rather than struggle with a skinny strip up top of both layers combined,
You, my boy, are thinking.
they install a thin strip of Housewrap over the door
Once again.
and then install the drainage mesh afterward.
Bring your stepladder with you. Trim it out in place.
With the mesh on the wall, Will trims it in place above the door.